Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a quick video that's going to be different from what I am used to filming, but I had a request and I thought it would be so much fun, so of course I had to go ahead and film it. So today I'm going to be sharing all of the products that I showed in my vanity case of the lippies that I'm currently enjoying reaching for, and I keep this on top of my vanity. I saw that on TikTok where a lot of people were filling up little vanity cases with lipsticks and lip liners, and I've also seen makeup bags for blushes and all of that, and I just love that because I'm a very visual person. So seeing this is like, it makes me want to go and play and create. So if you are interested in all of the lip products that I have been reaching for lately, the products that I've been using to create lip combos, to create content, just keep on watching. So I have two different types of vanity cases. I have the one from Say, which is a little pricey, and I got it because I liked the mini size. So this is the mini one, and it fits all of these lip products. But from TikTok shop or from Amazon, I don't remember where it was that I ordered it. This one's all beat up because I used it all last year. But I'm going to bring this one out for fall because, like I said, I'm a very visual person. I love to do things by season and colors, and it just keeps my creative side flowing. So I have this one, which is a bigger size compared to the mini. And I am going to be switching it out into this one. But what I like about this one is that I can put my lip liners up here, which the Say one doesn't have. And I have so much room for lippies. So I'm going to be building one together with you guys for fall time and putting a lot of like brown lip shades and wine colors and just very nice fall colors so that I can create fall lip combos. But today I'm going to go ahead and go over what I have in this little one, which has all of my spring, summer lip combos. Now this does have some lip liners, like it's these type of lip liners, like the Rhode Peptide Lip Shape and also the L'Oreal Blur Fillers. I have those inside the bag, but I do have a whole separate case for lip liners. Yeah, I know that's a shit ton of lip liners. I need to sit down one day and literally swatch all of them and get rid of anything that looks too similar to each other because I have a lot. But we're gonna go over everything that's in here. So I'm going to start off with the L'Oreal Blur Fillers. So I'm going to start off with Worth It. It is a pink color, and I love using these because I can overline my lip and I can do it so much faster with these types of products. You see how the tip of it is more chubby, so it just gives you a really nice lip line, blends your lip line, and where you're over drawing, it just blends it really nicely and it doesn't look weird or anything. Next, I'm going to go ahead and swatch Worth It Medium, which is one that I have been reaching for nonstop. It's a little bit deeper than the original Worth It. This color, I love it. Nude Espresso. I don't reach for this one too much. It is on the warmer side, but I do want to use that one more for fall looks. Brown Caramel. I think I use this one a good amount too. It's a little bit deeper there. Bordeaux Bisous, which is one of the last ones that I got in this line, and I cannot wait to start wearing this one. Worth It Intense, which is also very beautiful. So those are all of them swatched. You know what? The other ones are in my purse, and I should get what I have in my purse because that's usually in there too. And guys, I'm addicted to these types of bags. So here's the bag that I carry in my purse. And sometimes I literally just dump a bunch of random lip stuff so that while my husband is driving and I am passenger princess, I'm literally playing with makeup. So yeah, I have a bunch of stuff in here that's supposed to be inside here, so let me stick them in here. Ooh, we had a bunch of the Rhode ones. So yeah, this one I got on TikTok shop. I love to buy little bags and stuff, and this one also brings a mirror that you can attach to the top that lights up. I just took it out because it was a little bulky. All right, so here are all of the Rhode ones that I have, and I'm going to swatch them, and I'm still gonna leave the L'Oreal ones here. So I'm gonna start off with the first one that I ever got. This one doesn't really do much for me. This one is Lift. It's like a baby pink color. It's really pretty, but on my lips, it's like non-existent pretty much. Then I got Lunge there. Press, which is a really nice pinky color. I do like this one. So that is Press. Next, I'm gonna do Twist. Last but not least, I have Squeeze, which was released with the summer collection, and it is like a cool brown shade. All right, so those are all of the blur filler, like chubby ones. Okay, so next up, let's do my e.l.f. tints, which are my favorite thing about this bag. And it's kind of like what builds a lip for me, because I do not like my, I don't want to say I don't like my lips. I don't have pigment in certain areas of my lips, so I have to overline to correct that. But then sometimes overlining can look too much. So that is what I have these for. These are all from e.l.f. And what I like about these is they are a lip stain. And what I do with them is I'll take whatever undertone I'm looking for that day, and I will just do a swipe around all of my lips. Like my lip that actually feels like lip. So there will be some areas where it's kind of like skin, but then it will tint it all one even shade. And then I can see where I can line, because it actually looks like my lips. If you understand what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. It's so hard to say. I can't line my lips as easily as other people because my lips are just, I don't know. But I have all of these shades. So my all-time favorite one that I reach for the most, this one is called Pink Positive. It looks bright, but they don't really give off like a crazy tint, which is what I like about them. They definitely leave a tint. The first ones that I got was the Pink Positive and Cherry Cola, which I don't reach for a lot, but I definitely need to start using them more, and I will start reaching for them more during fall time. So they came out with more shades. So I recently picked up Bergen Did That. Sorry for that noise. I don't know what they're doing, sweeping the streets or something. I have no idea. We have Maple Latte, which I just recently added to the collection because it was hard to get my hands on. It was like sold out a few times, and it's like a nice brown shade that you could even use as bronzer, because you could also use these on your face. And then I also got pink shades. So they came out with Plums Up. I think I already had Plums Up. I don't remember. But they also came out with Soap Petal, which is a really pretty pink shade. So I have all of those in there, but I also have another formula that's really, really good. And this one is from Clarins. So this one, I just ordered a new shade that they released that I am so excited to put on my lips, because it's like a soft baby pink stain. I feel like that's going to be my favorite, but I have this one from them, and this one is it's the water lip stain. I have no idea which shade this is. I think it's number 13, but I don't know the shade. But it's literally like a nude ish type of shade, but still noticeable on the lips. Love this. I actually tried this one before I tried the e.l.f. one. Stain that it leaves is literally perfect. All right, so I also have two of my Lawless Forget the Filler, and this is a lip plumping and line smoothing gloss. So I have two shades in here. I just put in some pinky shades. Now what I like about these is that they really do plump the lips, but these aren't as spicy as a lot of the lip plumpers are. If you're very sensitive to that, these feel more like a minty tingle rather than a spicy feeling, but it really smooths out your lips, gets rid of all of the lip lines. So sometimes I even use this like a lip balm, but many times with a lip combo it looks beautiful, and the applicator is really nice too. Whoa, it's like a little, it just fits perfect onto the lips. So I have two of those. The shades that I have in here are Strawberry Milkshake, which is this light pink, and then Strawberry Popsicle. I have Maybelline lip stains. Ooh, and I have another lip stain to talk about that I really, really love. These lip stains, you guys, are amazing from Maybelline. They go on super even if it looks like it's going to be patchy while you have it on your lips. They go on so nicely. The colors, only color that I can't really wear too much unless I'm doing a lip combo is this one, which is Dawn. So it's like a more pinky shade, but it's a little too much. But these two shades right here, gorgeous. So we have Haze, which I really love. It's like a mauvey lip shade, and Aura is 01. My favorites. Again, I just use it for that same reason, to even out the shape of my lips. And when your lip combo wears off, if you ate or something, having a lip stain underneath, you still have like a little bit of color, not like pale lips. And then this one I'm loving too. This is the Sachu lip liner stay, and I've had a lot of these but never really found a shade where I felt like it looks something that I can wear without any makeup on. This gives me that. And this one is Nude 01 Nude. It's like a very nude lip shade, not too warm, not too cool, and it just does exactly what I want it to do, which is to give me that lip shape. I also have some random, some random lip products here. I have one of the Patrick Ta lip balms, and this one is in the pink salted caramel shade. These smell so good that I swear, just because of how they smell, I love to use them. They're really, really nice too. I have other shades that I'm going to bring out for fall time. I also have this Rhode Peptide Lip Boost in here, which is like a really nice, almost like a lip mask type of situation. It smells really nice and minty, and I love to put it on even with lip liners. And then I also put this one, but I'm not really reaching for it. I should reach for it next time I do my makeup. This one is the Huda Beauty Jelly Oil, and this one is in the shade Juicy Pink Lady, so I do need to reach for that one. I also need to reach for these as well. They are a new release from Benefit, and they are their tints, but you also get a clear gloss, so you can literally do like a lip liner situation with the gloss over it, or you can fill in the whole lip with the lip stain and then go over it with the gloss. But I need to use these more. I haven't been reaching for them as much as all these other ones that I've been talking about. Up next, I have some of the Rhode Peptide lip tints. I did not know that I was going to get so addicted to these. I bring these to the gym with me. I keep them in my purse. I do lip combos with them. They really perfected this formula, because the first time I tried these, they were like very grainy, gritty, did not feel nice on the lips at all. But these new ones, they listen to what the feedback, and they fix those things. So all of these amazing scents, they feel so good on the lips. They're cushiony and soft and glossy. I have no complaints with these, and I definitely want to add more to my collection. So right now, the ones that I have are Ribbon, which is a light pink shade. I got these. Are these the summer ones? I think these are all the summer ones. Yeah. We have honey mango, colada, and macadamia butter. Really nice collection. I also put these Tatcha lip balms in there because I really like how they look on the lips. But the only complaint I have about these is that they don't really last that long on the lips. So they'll leave a really nice shine. They will make the lips feel really nice, and it looks beautiful with lip combos. I have two shades here. The one that I use the most has been Pinku, because it's like a really beautiful baby pink color, but I do want to try this one, which is called Redo or Redo. Only thing is that they do kind of wear off quickly. Every hour I would, or not even, like every half hour, I feel like I would have to reapply, which I don't know. Now, these lip balms, I don't use all the time, because I have heard people saying that if you use them too much, they could exfoliate a little too much, and I don't want that. But if you need a product that's going to exfoliate your lips and leave them glossy and beautiful at the same time, and plump and full of hydration, I definitely recommend an Edam lip balm. I have two in here. I have Chateau Rose and Guava Fresca. You guys, I don't even think I have ever smelled a perfume that has ever gotten the note of guava quite right. Like, it always smells a little synthetic, a little candy-like, and I know what a real guava smells like. I grew up around it, so I know what the outside smells like. I know how powerful that scent could be when you have like a ripe guava in your kitchen. Your whole kitchen will smell like the green of the guava, but also that sweet, juicy, I don't know, it's a very distinct smell. And this lip balm captures the guava scent. If I close my eyes, I'm in Puerto Rico in my grandma's kitchen. Every time I would go visit her, she would give me one. Sometimes when we were younger, we would even find them in the woods. Only actual guava scent that I have ever smelled out of all the things that I've smelled that are guava scented. It literally smells like it's made out of guava. So those are really good, and they exfoliate your lips, leaves them really soft. Ooh, I love these too. Next up, I have two Cocoa Kind lip balms, and these are new releases that you can pick up. I don't know if they're going to be limited edition, but we have Strawberry Shortcake and Vanilla Chantilly. Amazing. I think these are my favorite scents that I have smelled. This is so good. It smells like a candy, and for lip combos, I love these because they're very glossy. It's the type of lip balm that definitely looks more like a gloss rather than a lip balm. So if you like that look into these. We're almost done. We have some Summer Fridays lip balms. I love these, and I love these for the gym. I love these more for like actually just applying lip balm. I don't really use these if I'm doing lip combos, but they will look beautiful even with lip combos. So I have Strawberry Soft Serve, which is my least favorite because this one is a little like, it kind of reminds me of those like Captain Crunch berries or something. I don't know. It's not my favorite. pink guava, which I love how it smells. It's not as realistic as the Edam one, but still smells so good. It's very tropical and juicy and perfect for summer, and I use this one so much. And I actually really like the tint that this one gives my lips. It's a little more noticeable. And then we have Birthday Cake, which is very sweet and sugary, definitely has shimmer in there. Really beautiful lip balm. I really like those. For the banana lovers, I recently got the Glow Recipe Glass Balm in banana milk. I take this to the gym too. Like, I change them every single day, and while I'm working out, I just love to put them on and smell them. This smells like a Laffy Taffy, like banana candy. I am not the most banana crazy person, but this one, I really like how it smells. It smells creamy. It's called banana milk, so definitely you get like the creamy, like tonic feel of it. Why am I talking like if I'm reviewing a perfume? Amy, we're talking about makeup. Smells really good. It's not my favorite one out of my lip balms, but it's really nice too. Like, I there's nothing wrong with it. And then these I added very recently. This is the new Huda Beauty lip product, and this is the Liquid Matte Mousse lip product. I do want to give you guys a little warning. If you do get these, be very careful with your caps and don't squeeze it too tight, because these caps crack. Unfortunately, I don't know if anyone has mentioned this before, but that one cracked. Yeah, I can't really close them too hard because you see how they're cracking there. So just in case, I don't know if Huda Beauty would fix that. I really love the packaging. It's beautiful. It has like these little clear tops, which is so, I love it. It's really nice. I love that the tube itself is the color of the lip, so you don't have to guess when you're picking them out from the bag. Now, these are very different from everything that I showed because these are completely matte. So I have it on my lips right now. This for fall time, I'm going to be using this so much because fall and winter, a nice matte lip, it looks so good. So these are amazing. The only thing that I found to say is that the cap did crack a little bit, but the formula, what's inside the packaging, the way that it applies, the way that it wears, the way that I can do that and not have a bunch of crumbly nasty stuff on my lips, so good. They did such a good job with this formula, so 10 out of 10. So that is everything that is inside my lip vanity case. If you feel like you have a lot of lip products that you're not rotating and you don't even know where to start, and then you keep reaching for the same ones, try doing a little lip case and just changing it out every so often. I have used way more product this way, and on my channel it's all about using your stuff up. We like to shop, we like to do all the girly things, but we also like to use up what we get. With that said, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if there's any products that you love in this video that also work for you so that other people can read reviews. Any lip combos that you want to share, I would love to see that as well. That's going to be it from me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic.